Thanks for joining me in my market report. My name is Mike, and this market report is about mortgage rates. We get into trends on mortgage rates, what impacts them on a daily basis. We do this usually Monday through Friday, with the exception, of course, any holidays that might be in there. However, we do let you know what's in there from economic reports, headline news, the different daily activities that kind of could impact or has impacted already mortgage rates on a daily basis. We don't get so much into rate quotes, primarily because there's just too many variables that go into it. We also got, of course, different loan programs that would have different rates as well. So there's no one size that fits all. However, if you do want a rate quote, please feel free to contact me. A little bit about myself is I am a lender. I do work as a loan officer with a national lender. We do loans in all 50 states. If you guys got questions about loan programs, about the rates, about uh, anything in that general area, I'm here to help out. We can help you out with your refinances as well as your purchases. If you're looking to get pre-approved and then buy the next property, we're here to assist you. So again, we'd love to hear from you, so please feel free to reach out. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. We do got one economic piece here on the economic report today, as existing home sales for the month of May. So its previous report back in April came in at 5.85 annualized sales. So these are on pace for 5.85 million homes for the year. And forecast was supposed to slow down a little bit to 5.72, and it came in at 5.8. So a little bit better than forecast, which is obviously good news from what we thought. And so that we'll see how this continues. It did drop obviously 0.9%. However, we'll see how it can if it can hopefully improve during the year. The big thing, of course, is lack of inventory. We just don't have home builders are strapped on what they can do, as well as we just don't got a lot of homes on the market right now. So we got this kind of like a bottleneck, supply and demand, where there's a lot of demand but just not enough supply. And hopefully that we'll have some improvement in that area soon. But without further ado, let's move on to headline news. Stocks are up. It's the second day in a row. They rebounded yesterday quite nicely from last week's when the Fed was it came in a little bit hawkish tone. We had a few Fed speakers came in yesterday. Williams, which came in later in the day, he kind of basically said that further we have a long ways to go with the jobs, and he doesn't anticipate rates being changed anytime soon until we get to the point where they're very comfortable with the jobs. And then this morning there was a statement by Powell basically stating the same thing. So stock market is liking the words. It's improved. It helped them. We do have a few Fed speakers, but also later today, Jerome Powell will be meeting before the House subcommittee and for testimony, and that could, of course, he's expected to get kind of drilled by a few members there. So we'll have to kind of wait and see how he responds to their questioning and such. Let's move on to the mortgage-backed securities and what rates are doing today. We're up 16 basis points, so we're kind of rebounding from yesterday's losses. As you saw, we were way down, came back. We ended up closing down 16 basis points, so we're kind of back to where we were on Friday. Our pricing should be what we basically saw at close on Friday, so we at least gained back some of those losses there. Um, Treasuries, it's working its way back down, testing this floor. Now it was a ceiling, and we broke back above it yesterday. Now we're trying to work our way back downwards. We're just under 1.48 right now at 1.475. And again, we're just testing that floor here, see if we can break below that again or not. All right, folks, we'll keep this kind of short and sweet today. Again, mortgage rates improvement. We're back to the levels we saw back after Friday's close, so that's obviously good news if you're looking to refinance or purchase. So you still got good rates out there. If you guys like these videos, I'd greatly appreciate if you guys could hit that like button. We greatly appreciate it. It helps out our channel, and we greatly appreciate your reviews. And thanks so much for watching. And we'll hopefully see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.